Did you know that unsealed asphalt can deteriorate up to 50% faster? Sealing your asphalt isn't just about aesthetics. It's about protecting your investment from harsh Midwest weather. Let's explore the most common sealer types for the Midwest market. This video is to explain to professional contractors the sealer types available in the asphalt industry. For this video, the focus will be on the different types of sealers available for the Midwest. There are special sealer types. Some manufacturers have a unique blend for specific application types or jobs. We will not be talking about those particular types of sealers. We will only talk about the two leading and most used brands in this market. They all are waterborne sealers. As an example, we can talk about Coca-Cola and Pepsi-Cola. Both companies sell cola products. However, each has its blend manufacturing process and product name. The same thing happens with the sealer industry. Each company pictures the base materials, has a particular manufacturing process, and has a brand name. For this market, we have mainly two types of sealers, all water-based, coal tar and asphalt base. Each manufacturer carries both products. First, we will discuss the most well-known brand by the general public. It has several branches throughout the Chicago area. It offers two different sealer types and two blends for a total of 4 different product lines. Talking about the blends they have, the first is Sealer Ready to Use, RTU. This product is the most straightforward blend and the most used. The ready to use status is to point out that it has the water percentages pre-diluted into the sealer from the manufacturing plant. It can be applied to the ground as is. The second one is Ultra Blend Sealer. This product has sealer additives and sand pre-mixed into the sealer. Both types of sealer are born precisely equal. Sand and additives are added to the regular product to get to the Ultra type. Both products are manufactured using the same batch process. The ingredients for each batch are added manually to an industrial blender with a mixer on the bottom. This competitor lineup brings up 4 different sealer types. On the coal tar side, the first one is ready to use coal tar. In this case, the name does not change. It is called coal tar. Regular coal tar sealer contains 30% water and no sealer additives. The second one is called Coal Tar Ultra. This sealer type consists of regular coal tar plus sealer additives and sand to get to Coal Tar Ultra blend. On the asphalt emulsion side, we have the third one is asphalt base ready to use called MES_S_. Asphalt base sealer contains 30% water and no sealer additives. The fourth type is asphalt base ultra blend called PM_. This sealer type consists of regular asphalt emulsion plus sand and additives to get to the ultra blend type. On the other hand, we have the Brewer Company. The Brewer Company was founded in May 1933 in Ohio. By 1937, they owned and operated 3 asphalt plants in the Cincinnati area and have been in the Chicagoland area since 1996. The Brewer Company is recognized for its top quality, the long-lasting black rich color on the ground over time, and for keeping always the same sealer consistency. The Brewer Company has 2 different types of sealer and 2 different blends, which result in 4 other products. The Brewer Company sealer blends are first premix. This product is the most commonly used. The premix indicates that the water percentage has been premixed into the sealer. This sealer contains sealer additives. These make the sealer blacker, prevent tire marks, dry faster, and have a longer life on the ground. Second concentrated, this product must be mixed with water before being applied to the ground. The real advantage of this product is its price. It is a cost-effective method of producing sealers because the water is added at purchase. The contractor does not pay for water freight from the production plant to the selling branch, making it the most price-competitive sealer on the market. Even with this low pricing, the sealer performs much better than most of the brands in the market. This sealer looks blacker, lasts longer, and has better coverage, getting more square feet per gallon. The base product always has the same consistency. This allows contractors to use all the tank capacity. Contractors can apply to the ground, even the last drop at the bottom of the tank. This Brewer lineup brings up 4 different sealer types. On the coal tar side, we have premix called Polycoat. Regular coal tar sealer contains 30% water and has sealer additives. This sealer is the most long-lasting product of the market and the blackest coal tar of the industry. Concentrated called Spec Coat. Water must be added to the sealer. Once the water is added, this is the most price-competitive coal tar sealer on the market. Even with this low price, this sealer has excellent performance, looks blacker, has a longer life on the ground, and has better coverage, getting more square footage per gallon. On the asphalt emulsion side, we have asphalt-based premix called Guard Coat Plus. This asphalt-based sealer contains 30% water and has sealer additives. It is by far the blackest sealer on the market and the asphalt emulsion with the longest lasting black color on the ground. Asphalt-based concentrated called Guard Coat. Water must be added to the sealer. With the water added, this is the most price competitive sealer on the whole market. Even with this low pricing, this sealer has much better performance than other sealer types in our market. It dries faster, lasts longer, and gives more square footage per gallon with the same sealer consistency. All brewer company sealer blends are produced by continuous process colloid mill production, ensuring the highest product quality and consistency standards. A colloid mill consists of a series of stationary grooved chambers, a series of heavy sharp-edged rotors turned within the chambers at very close tolerance and high speed, typically nearly 2000 revolutions per minute. The resin and other components of the emulsion sealer are forced through the mill under high pressure. This imparts tremendous mechanical energy, resulting continuously in a finished product with 100% resin particles evenly dispersed. Take action today. Talk to a brewer company sales representative. Together, let's preserve your pavement's integrity and keep it looking pristine for years to come.